I'll tell you a simple exercise. Some area that you may have prepared and then you think that I'm very good at it and I've done it really very well. You take up that area and the questions from, PT questions from there, and you may have done it, may have realized it already. And you find that you, out of 10 questions, you are able to do 6, shall I say, on the higher side. The one you are really prepared and then you think that, yes, this is what is my area and I think I can answer anything I want. 6 questions. You have some area you haven't touched and you're always scared that, hey, I do not know what will happen there and how I'll go about it and all those things. You pick up those areas, 10 questions. I promise you'll be able to do 4 questions. So the knowledge that you're talking about with preparation and with this and that I can do is just 2 questions. That's the difference. And you will be surprised that UPSC is not asking questions which are, I would say that they are like direct questions. Like, I mean, you can possibly say that here we have got a particular question and then here we have got the answer. No, not like that. UPSC is asking, like, let's say, between the lines. The questions are here. I'm sure most of you would have joined test series also. A lot of questions that we make you do, you have realized that this is where the question is located, not on these lines that you read. So what I'm trying to suggest is that try developing your own skills for answering here. And a simple fact which I would like to advise here is that for one particular piece of information, do not look at 5 sources. Look at one source 5 times. If you look at one source 5 times, your sense develops between the lines. And one good source, I think all of you have got KSG Note. Every year, my first class, as I did with you also, I showed that, hey, this is what, from this page, this question, this page, this question, this page, this question. And I'm promising you I'll do the next batch also the same thing. So the point that I basically want to convey is that please trust the material that you have already acquired, that you have read. Read that several times over so that you're in a position to get these locations. I think there are 60% questions which are analytical questions. Are you aware of it? About 60%. And that's why I'm saying that those areas that you have not prepared, you have vaguely read something in some context. These areas you will be able to answer if you have really conceived that well. And that is what I think I like you to focus on.